going to see how easy it is to put the row markers I sell in our old 5100 here. Go. These are all blemish ones I don't sell. That'll fit. Let me change that over. This is the blocked one. That's the blocked one. That's the blocked one. That one. One more. Whole box of blemishes. Here we go. Now they're all in. All I gotta do is add the bags. Alright. So after a quick vacuuming out, all the row markers are in place, the row covers are in place. Now we can start the joy of installing all these. Beams are on. The large flanges will keep them in place. And if I have to, I can dig in, feel it, grab it, and I could pull it out. I'm not going to because I want them in. I should have put an extra one in just to show you that you could. You absolutely can pull them out at any time. And then there's the 14-inch row beans. That's my settings. Anybody that's curious. You know, everything else is just your standard chart that's always on these that don't anticipate you doing what I do. Alrighty, that's it. Here, International 5100. They fit multiple. They fit the 510 and they also fit the 620. Alrighty, peace out.